Hello. This weekend marks 1 year of Fianna Fáil in government, and I've been delighted over the course of the last year to work with my government colleagues to support farm families right across the country and our fishers and our foresters, and very importantly as well, all those working in our food industry. As Minister, working with my colleague Minister Michael McGrath, I've managed to deliver an 11% increase in the budget over the past year for our farmers, fishers and food producers. That has enabled me to, for example, bring forward new initiatives such as the REAP scheme, which was 5 times oversubscribed and which delivers in terms of providing significant income to farmers in order to them to produce and deliver for our environment. Also, I've worked at European level to secure a CAP programme which will work for Irish farming families. And this coming week now, I will be in Luxembourg finalising that CAP programme, and then over the course of this summer, bringing that home to ensure that we frame a CAP programme and schemes within that works for farm families, works for food producers, and also ensures that we can lead out as a sector on the environment as well. I've also worked hard to support our fishers at a very challenging time, particularly with the backdrop of Brexit. I've established a task force to ensure that we invest in the sector to mitigate the impact of Brexit and also to maximise its potential in the years ahead. And I look forward to continuing to work with them in supporting them both in terms of funding at domestic level, but really importantly as well in terms of bringing the fight to Europe for additional Irish quota and to have the situation in terms of the Brexit impact on quota addressed. Overall, it's an honour for Fianna Fáil and for I as Minister to be working to support our farmers, our fishers and our food producers. I've worked hard with all my government colleagues to support them over the last year, and I look forward to continuing that work in the months ahead.